Hi there, so welcome to another Filmmaker Diary. If you're not subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when the next video drops. Now I am in Slovakia, in Trenčín. We just packed some stuff and we are going on a photo shoot. We have like 2.5 hours to make some photos and make it awesome. So this will be intense photo shoot. I will show you how it looks like. We have 3 lights, 2 LED lights and 1 softbox. So we just arrived to the location. We are waiting for Monica to come and the photo shoot will start. So if you want to pull off shooting like this, the first thing you have to sort out is the location, where you want to shoot the people you want. Then you need to inspire yourself. We are inspired by Pinterest or Instagram. You also can have your unique vision how to make the photos and then just execute. Don't wait too long for perfect conditions and don't wait for perfect weather or something. You will all your life wait for perfect conditions. Somehow almost never happens, so just execute. And the more often you will execute your visions, the sooner you will become the creative you always wanted to be. Alright then, so 4 hours shooting, some B-roll footage from gimbal and some B-roll footage shot on Sony a7 III. I use Sigma 24mm 1.8 for handheld shots. It is like a macro lens, you can get really close with it, even though it's an old lens and it's not manufactured anymore. When I'm on a DJI gimbal, I use only Sony lenses because of the autofocus. And on the gimbal I had a 50mm 1.8. It was super fun, 4 hours of amazing shooting, being creative. Then we'll go back to Trenčín, so I need to shoot YouTube video about a lot of probe lens. I shot with the probe lens like a week ago. Somewhere here will be link to the video. So I will shoot it today because tomorrow it's a release day, and by the time I will go home, I need to edit some photos, and it's a lot of work. It's the non-stop traveling. When you're a filmmaker or photographer, you are traveling all the time. It's so exhausting, like full day shoots and then traveling to another location or traveling home. You spend like endless hours on the road and spend like €1 million on gas. This is the life. Alright, so this looks better. So I will now show you what I did. So this is light number 1. This is like a cheap LED. I have like for 8 years. It's super cheap, like for €100 you have something like this, and you know, it works. That is also this cheap LED. It's super cheap. It's like a 2 kit of LEDs for like €200 and it works. It's great. For mostly paid projects, if you want to like light the interview or something, it works. It's great. The one thing I don't use, like the internal lights and the practical lights, like the lamps like this, is that I can't control the intensity of the light. So that's why it is better to buy some cheap lights, so the way you can control the intensity and maybe the color, like from the cool colors to warm. That's all you need mostly. For the as a face light, the front light that is lighting my face, I use this ring light. I think this is all you have. It's nice soft light. It looks great on camera, so nothing fancy. This works out, and hopefully it will look good on the Sony camera, which is what I'm going to try now. Of course, it will look different on the Sony a7 III. I will now show you my rig. Alright, so I have this Gorilla Pod, quick release, Sony a7 III. I have this 28 to 70. It likes a kit lens that comes with the camera. I have this Rode Micro. I needed like a cheap solution for my videos. I needed some cheap audio solution for my YouTube videos. All the Filmmaker diaries are lately made only on iPhone 11 and the internal audio solutions. Thanks for watching. This was 2-day shooting of this video. I would be super happy for like, comment and subscribing to this YouTube channel, and hit that bell notification so you will be notified when the next video drops, the next filmmaking diary or whatever comes to my mind. So I'm trying hard to make these videos consistently, and hopefully you will like them. So see you in the next video. Hopefully you will stay in calm next time, and bye.